have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours, 'cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down.
All right, everybody's getting up this morning.
I need you to wear them now. Okay?
We got the whole gang here. Probably the last time we'll have everybody together. Seems like everybody's going their separate ways after today. Some are going to Zion, some are going to Moab, and we're headed up to, we're heading up a little north for tonight, up towards Jacob Lake. We want to see the actual little lake, and then head up to Kanab, see some dinosaur tracks, right? And Slot Canyon too. And then we gotta re-up on groceries. And then we'll head up towards Escalante. Gotta check out all these bones the kids found last night. I think we got a mountain lion in the area. Could hear it last night. So I'm guessing it's eating its prey up here, right up here on the rim. All right, another pretty awesome view. We're on the other side of the main road, so the east side on road 611. And yeah, it's pretty wild.
So we found a entrance into the Grand Canyon National Park. This is a back road by all sense of the word. And we're kind of snaking our way down and through the park here to Sublime Point, which some of the locals up at the DeMott Lodge gas station there told us to go see. It's a little bit of a detour. We weren't really planning on it today, but that's one of the spur of the moment things that just kind of arises when somebody local tells you you need to go and check it out. So,
and plus there's supposed to be more wildlife down here in the park, because outside of the park you can hunt. So we may be able to see some bison, some elk.
Trying to keep an eye out.
Maybe some deer.
But definitely need a off-road capable vehicle to get down this little track. It's taken us a while, but we got time.
It's a beautiful day. Mid-70s. This place is magical. Highly recommend coming here. You could spend a couple weeks here easy and not see everything. Wow, this is nuts. Sublime Point. This is absolutely the best view I think I've come across. I mean, it's like a 270, 200 degree view. I mean, look at this. It's nuts. It's crazy. Alright, let's try to zoom in a little bit right there. You can see the river. That is so awesome. Wow, this is crazy. Boys, what'd y'all think of the view? Is that not awesome?
It's awesome, alright.
Probably the craziest view I've ever had lunch at.
360-degree views. It makes you feel so small.
It's crazy. Guy that walked up and he's got some radio monitoring system. He picked up a condor out here, and he's out here on the rim with his antenna trying to spot out where the condor is. It's pretty neat. This is kombucha, and that was a SCOBY I just pulled out.
And this is an almond butter jelly wrap on a sun-dried tomato wrap because we didn't know we were going to be here. And this is what we had in our Dometic fridge. Thank heavens we have that with us. Because when you have a hungry 5-year-old and a hungry 3-year-old, the world is not going to stop for them. Or it should, rather, but it doesn't. And you got to be prepared. Alright, here boys.
I want some kombucha.
And especially a hungry daddy.
You want some kombucha? He loves kombucha.
You want some kombucha, buddy?
Yeah. I love kombucha.
Oh yeah, it's great.
How is that, Hammy?
Hey, you can see the helicopters out there. They're doing helicopter tours of the Grand Canyon.
You see a helicopter?
There's
Two.
There's 2 of them. Yes, that's cool.
Only Mama,
Yeah.
probably at that park where there was mostly sand.
This view is amazing. I can't really describe it. It's one of those things you get here and it just takes your breath away. It's absolutely phenomenal. Makes you feel so small and some of your little problems just disappear. The day-to-day struggles and the hustle and the bustle. This makes it all worth it. This makes you feel alive and it makes it just worth every penny of getting here and doing what we do. I feel very lucky, very blessed to be here. Like I said, I can't really even describe the feeling I get looking out into something so vast and big and wide. And how many millions of years it took to really form something like this is just mind-blowing. So, so far, Sublime Point has been definitely the best, for sure. Absolutely. I'll remember this for a long, long, long time. And hopefully my kids will too. Take one more look, guys.
Now this stuff is cool. Looks like what, dandelions maybe?
Yeah.
Some type of dandelion.
Yeah.
We're just here right off the road. Let me widen out here. We're just off the road here. Now this trail is a little bumpy. It's a little rough. I'm still in 2-wheel drive. We're coming out of what's the name of the place?
Sublime Point.
Yeah, we're coming out of Sublime Point back to the main road at the North Rim in the park. And yeah, this is wild, man. I had to stop and check this out. But these trees and the growth, it's We think these are aspens. Either aspens or birches.
It took us nearly all day to get to Sublime Point from the Rainbow Rim and back. Granted, we took our time and spent well over an hour soaking it all in when we got there. We set out the day with totally different plans than what we actually did. So with the evening dawning, we decided to stay one more and final night at what had become our favorite campsite yet. And almost right on cue, with the sun dipping down into the canyon, we were treated to one more epic, color-bursting sunset at the Rainbow Rim. Oh, and one more thing. A huge shout out and big thanks to all of you that have liked and left feedback on our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for part 6.